Hi guys, this is Shahrukh. I'm back with another video. This time little late, but no issues. Watch the video till end. Today I came here to share how to keep goals in life. We all know that dreams and goals are very important, but most of the people don't know how to keep goals. And some people will keep a long-term goal and they don't take any action to go forward. Then how to keep goals? This is the topic of today. Without any delay, let's start the video. We have to understand most of the people who are successful and achieved their dreams and goals. Firstly, they wrote their goals. Yes, we have to write our goals in a journal or in diary. People who write their dreams and goals will achieve them 10 times faster than who keep in their mind. Every year in December, all should analyze their growth in that year and to correct the mistakes which we took in that year. An extraordinary life comes from an unrelenting commitment to focus on constant improvement in the 7 areas of life. First one is physical body. We have to maintain a perfect structure of our body in order to maintain our physical health. Second, emotions and meaning, mental health. This is very important. Analyze yourself, how your mental state and how to improve it. Third one is relationships. Maintaining good relationships is very necessary and important because when we face any problem, relationships and that bonding can protect us. If you're having any issues with anyone, just fix it because life is short. A small misunderstanding can become the reason for you and that person to be distant forever. Fourth one is time, which is more valuable than anything. Where you're spending time is accountable for you, what you are getting. How you are utilizing 24 hours in a day. Just plan it. Fifth, work, career, mission. No matter what profession you are in, just keep an income target or you can keep any materialistic goal to take your career forward in your life. Number 6, finances. How you are spending your money. Most of the people will say money will come and go, but we have to manage every single penny that you are getting paid. For this, I strongly recommend you to read a book called Rich Dad and Poor Dad. I will do a review on that book also. The link I will provide you in this description. Number 7, celebrate and contribute. Here you can include where you want to travel and how you want to celebrate special events in your life or in that year. There is always having a room in your life for thinking bigger, pushing limits and imagining the impossible. Now you have to do 3 steps. Step 1. Rate yourself out of 10 in each area. Step 2. Decide on which areas you want to improve. Step 3. Design a game plan to achieve your desired target by writing your goals as short term, mid term and long term. Make your life masterpiece. Step up now to create the life that you desire and deserve. That's it for today guys. Comment what's your goal and how this video helped you. I will be back with another video. Until then, bye.